In front of me is Blackview A200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then use this icon of a plus at the bottom in the middle and set up an hour. When you finished, click on days of the week that you wish to apply. Select ringtone. And to add any music from your device and use it for your incoming alarm one, select Add New at the top, tap on any song and go back. You can also just pick one of those melodies and go back as well. Then use this switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback. Select label and type in wherever you want to. Then hit OK. And last but not least, tap on save at the top right corner to add your new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To make some changes to it, click on it, change whatever you want to, and hit save again. To turn it off or on, use this orange switcher next to it. And finally, to get rid of it, just hold one of your alarms and tap on this pin icon at the bottom in the middle. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!